So it's very early this morning, the light's very directional. I am bent over because if I sit up, my face goes into a shadow. You can't see me, and anyway, we want to be nice and close to this super cool new robot, which I have here to test. It was sent to me by Smonet? I like Smonet, sounds fancier, right? By Smonet sent me this cool new robot, which does everything. Instead of me sitting here and talking to you about it, let's put it in the water while I tell you about its features. You can watch it go. We'll then pull it out, see what's inside of it, and make some sort of judgment about how well it worked or didn't work. Okay, let's go over the basic specs that you want to know. Obviously, it's cordless, so you charge it up and then put it in the pool. It should last for about a 150-minute runtime, which includes climbing the walls. It's got a 180-watt powerful suction. It's got all those easy features you want, like the LED indicator on it. It talks to you, tells it when it's ready to go, when it's done. It self-parks, which means it'll bring itself to the side of the pool to make it easy for you to get it in and out. And it's principally designed for pools, both in-ground and above ground, up to about 2,000 square feet.
Low battery. Please turn off and charge the robot.
Okay, so she's tired. She wants a nap. She's done her job. We'll turn her off.
Enjoy your pool.
Up. She actually offered us to enjoy the pool now. And we are going to enjoy the pool now because I believe, let me see what we have in here. Ready for this? Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do about my pool guy because he literally was here yesterday. I did watch him vacuum the pool, but there is absolutely a whole bunch. Let's see if you can see it on the camera or not. I think you can see it. Look here. Look at all this sand. All this sand. I watched him for a half hour vacuum this pool, and we've got sand, we've got dog hair, we got a couple little leaves after I told you there wouldn't be leaves in the pool. You've seen it run. It really did a really nice job. I am so impressed that it still yanked out all this dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to him. It was so easy to use. Put it in, ran for its 2 hours or so, came to the side, you just watched me pull it out, we just checked it, and now all you do is just take this, rinse it out, plug it in, recharge it, and it is ready to go the next time you want it to clean, the next time you want it to clean it, the next time you want it to clean, the next time you want it to clean the pool. Ooh, I did remember why I like this so much, right? So this is like, for those of you who are into racing, this is almost like the classic Gulf racing colors. Like the Gulf racing cars were always this blue. It just needs a little bit of orange pinstripes. It would be like a Gulf racing car. You probably don't care about that at all, but I thought it was fun and interesting, and that's why I like the way it looks. Hope this was helpful. We will see you next time.